Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are here. I was talking about how Cortana, and now we got the new Copilot, which is the AI or the artificial intelligence that they want to have with the Windows operating system. It has been announced officially in a document that actually Windows Central found in checking out documentation on the Microsoft site. Cortana will be retired. The Cortana app will not be supported after the end of this year. So it will have been a 8.5-year run for Cortana. If you guys remember, Cortana was to be the assistant. I actually enjoyed having Cortana, especially in the beginning when they were actually really working to have it improve and have it do a lot of things. Then they kind of changed it into a productivity type app where it should help you out in doing tasks. Well, now no more. By the end of 2023, the standalone app in Windows will, of course, be removed. And not removed, but not supported. So it's the end of Cortana, and the of course documentation is talking about the famous AI Copilot that is supposed to arrive in Windows 11 in the next months. So it is the end of an era. Cortana is going away from Windows, and that is going to be the end. 8 years and a half. I don't know. Have you used Cortana? And I would guess that this would be the question I have for you guys. Have you at some time used Cortana? Were you excited when you saw that there was an assistant like Cortana in Windows? Did you just not care? And of course, Cortana came with a lot of other things. A lot of people complaining of privacy issues, and assistants actually have to talk to a server. There's no way that the assistant can do things on its own. So every assistant, be it Siri on Apple or the Google Assistant or even the Amazon one, they all have to talk to the servers to actually do things. Cortana is not an exception to that rule. So bye-bye Cortana. By the end of the year, you will be gone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.